Hello and welcome. I'm Devanagari once again, and we will continue with the numbers from 51 to 100, and we will learn in the same manner as we did in the last session. After Pannas, we get Eka 1 because after Pannas, we write it as A1, A1, Eka 52 is Ba 53 is Treppan. Note the point that Ta plus Ra becomes Tra or simply Tra as it is written here. Trepan. 54 is Chaupan. Ek, ba, tre, chau. So they are in order of the same pronunciations as we learnt in Eke Charis, Be Charis, Tre Charis, Chove Charis. So Ekavan, Bavan, Treppan, Chaupan. Then comes Pansavan, 55. 56 is Chappan, 57, Sattavan, 58, Attavan. You get repeatedly this tha as a conjunct. Tha is written as a conjunct. 59 is Ekun Sat because it is followed by Sat which is 60. Ekun totally 60, then 60. 59. In English, you must have noted the difference between English and Konkani as, now just watch, 58, for example, is Attavan. In English, we pronounce the number at tens first, and the number at ones place is pronounced later. That is why 58, 5 and 8 is 58. In Konkani and Indian languages, it is, we take the units place first and then the tens place. So Atta 1. This becomes 59, that is Ekun Sat. Here 59 has no connection with 60, but Ekun Sat has connection with Sat because it tells you that the next number is 60, Sat. 60 is Sat. Going ahead, 61 is Eksat. 62 is Basat. Somehow these anuswars are missing. Anuswar is the nasal accent. You must have known that, you must have noted that it's the nasal accent on some of the Konkani words. Basat. Let us write Basat. Basat. Tresat. So 62 is Basat, 63 is Tresat, 64 Chausat, 65 is Pasat. So here it does not become Sat, but sat is changed to sat. Sat, 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 sat. एक, ba, tre, chau, pa. So every time we say 60, the number ahead of 60 as 61, 62, 63, we say 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Now we are coming to 66. 66, the number is 67, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, and 70 is 70. Here also sat, 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 67, 67, 66, 67, 67, sat is 7, 67, 68, 68, 70 and 69. Again, 69 has no connection with 70, but 69 is connected to 70 because it tells you that the next number is 70. 69 is totally 70. The next number is 70. Slight change meaning not much, but here we have a little more of conjuncts. 71, 71 is 71. Kya is ka half and ya. 71. This is 72. 72. 72 is 72. 73 is treya. I already told you how tra is formed. It is this is a conjunct of ta plus ra. Tra, and tra is added to ya. That makes it treya. Treyat, treyat, 71, 72, 73. Now here we get 74 as 74. Some computers do not have the full conjuncts, and that is why we see the letter the broken into half. The is made half and ya is added to it. Now let us see how this can be written differently. The plus ya or the plus ya as it is, we get this letter as dya. Most often it is written by hand as dya. Most computers give this dya. Some of them do not give, but this is not wrong because the is made half and then joined to ya. I will join it again and show you. This is the and this is ya. It can also be written like this, but most often we see the dya written this way. The plus ya is dya. So 74 is 74, 75 is 75. Again here, sa plus ya gives cha, cha, 75. So we get 71, 72, 73, 74 and 75. Coming to 76, 76 is 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79 because 80 is 80. Note the anuswars, the nasal accents, which are very important in Konkani. 80 and this is 79 and this is 80. Before 80 we get 79, but 79 has no connection to 80, but in Konkani we have 79 connected to 80. 81 means totally it is coming to 80 and then we get 80. Let us see again the formation of 78. It is a plus tha plus tha plus ya plus ta. 78. So we break this. Both these tha have to be broken with pi mode and we join tha, tha and ya. This can also be written as here, see the letter ya. Ya is full. But here, ya has turned half and joined the tha, 78. This tha remains as half, but this tha is also half and ya is also half. So this becomes tya and this becomes 78. 78 is 78. 79 is 79 and 80 is 80. 81 is 81, 82 is 82, 83 83, 84 84, 85 85. I hope kya is easy to write because this is half ka added to ya. Also, this is ba, this is full ba, this is half ba, 82, 82, 83. I told you the formation of tra and then how it is added to ya. 83. Quite good. 84 is 84. Again the problem of the and ya coming together. We could have easily written this as dya. Dya. The plus ya is dya. 84. 85 is panchainshi. We have come across sa and ya before. Here also we have panchainshi. Then 86 we have shainshi. 87 becomes satyanshi. 88 becomes attyanshi. 89 turns into 89 and 90 is Navad. So let us see again. Here there is no Jodakshar. This is only Sha. Here we have Satyanshi. The problem comes at Tha, but don't worry, it is very easy. Write Tha first, then Tha again, and then you can add Ya. Or simply, both the Tha have pi mode and Ya written separately. Here, Ya is separate and both the Tha have a pi mode, that is the symbol to make a conjunct. 89, 89 is 89, gives you the signal for 90. 90 is Navad, before that comes 89. We are in the nervous 90s. Let us see. 91 is 91. 92 is 92. 93 93. 94 94. 95 95. We have learnt all these conjuncts before. Kya, Bya, Trya, Dya. So Dhyanav and Panchanav. What happens here is that this is the 90s. And in Navad, we had Va as double, Navad. But here, the Na becomes double. This Na is double. Na, Na joined to another Na, or Na conjunct joined to a whole Na. What happens in Konkani is that we have letters without the vertical, or Na with the vertical. This is a vertical line. Ba has a vertical line. So also Ka has a vertical line. But Ta, Tha, Da do not have these vertical lines. So the problem of making a conjunct becomes slightly difficult, in the sense that we don't do anything. We have to just break the letter to make a conjunct. So a can now becomes a kya, which we have already learned, and then na joined to a half na joined to a whole na, ekyannav. The same is repeated in byannav, same is repeated in tryannav. Chaudannav also takes double na. Panchannav also is written with double na. I hope this is clear. We'll move ahead. 96 is Shannav, 97 Satyannav, 98 Atthannav, 99 Navannav, and the century number is Shambhar. 100 is Shambhar. Again, here, half na and full na. This is half na. This is full na. This is equal to na. But we do not have the pi mode here because we can easily break the na. We can easily break the na and write it as this. Therefore, 96 is Shannav, 97 Satyannav, 98 Atthannav. We'll take it again. Atthannav, or simply th pi mode, and ya. Okay? So 98 becomes Atthannav. 99 becomes Navyannav. Navya. Now. Perhaps in Konkani, or Konkani is the only language in the Indian languages where some words or some letters or some numbers start with the letter na. In Marathi, it is Navad. But in Konkani, we will get a full na to make it Navad. So 96 is Shannav, 97 Satyannav, 98 Atthannav, 98, 99 Navannav, and 100, the century number, is Shambhar. In Marathi, the spelling is slightly different. It is Shambhar. But in Konkani, this letter becomes soft, Shambhar. I hope we have got all the numbers correctly. Shall we go over them again, right from the beginning? Ek, 1 ek, 2 दोन, 3 तीन, 4 चार, 5 पाँच, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8, 9 9, 10 10, 11 11, 12 12, 13 13. Note the open sound of te. Here, though we write this with a matra, we say te, not te. 14 is 14, 15 is 15, 16 16, 17 17, 18 18, 19 19, 20 20, 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, 30 is 30, 31 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39, 40 40, 41 41, 42 42, 43 43, 44 44, 45 45, 46 46, 47 47, 48 48, 49 49, 50 50, 51 51, 52 52, 53 53, 54 54, 55 55, 56 56, 57 57, 58 58, 59 59, 60 is 60, 61 61, 62 62, 63 63. Note the anuswars over 62 and 63. They were not there in the original. I have added them here. 64 64, 65 65, 66 66, 67 67, 68 68, 69 69, 70 70, 71 71, 72 72, 73 73, 74 74, 75 75, 76 76, 77 77, 78 78. Note the 78. Again I am stressing on this. 78, 79 79, and 80 is 80. 81 81, 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 84, 85 85, 86 86, 87 87, 88 88, 89 89, 90 90, 91 91, 92 92, 93 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, and the century number 100 is Shambha. It is also sometimes when we go ahead after 100, it will be known as Shen. Ek Shen. Ek Shen Ek means 101. We have learned the numbers from 1 to 100, and I believe you have got the conjuncts, especially the conjuncts and the anuswar, that is the nasal accent with the dot on top, correct pronunciations of the numbers, and also the conjuncts which are there, like 78, 98, the ya, the zodakshar, that is the conjuncts correctly. And I believe you will have written them down and you will try to pronounce them as I did. Thank you.